Hi there, Laura Wilson here. Today I am doing this very simple look. I say simple, but the eyeshadow is very simple. Putting these little crystals all over my eyelid was not simple, but I started off with this one. This one's not quite as good as this one. I was getting much better at it by the time I got to that one. So my suggestion is, if you decide to do something like this, to either practice first or give yourself lots of time before you have to go out. So this is what I'm doing today. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be using these gems. I'll take them out of the packet so you can actually see what they look like. They look like this. And I'm going to use some of my lash glue to stick those on with. This is my Adele one. And first of all, I'm just going to do some very basic eye makeup. So it's a real no makeup look on the eyes today. So I'm just going to go in with this cream colour here called Dream out of my BYS Nude 4 palette. And I'll need my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put that all over the lid. And I'm just going to get a slightly darker colour here. So it's a slightly cool brown colour, and I'm just going to put that in the crease to just give a little bit of dimension. But I don't want anything too defined or anything. And I'm just going to go over it with a fluffy brush, make sure there are no harsh edges or anything. And then I'm going to do my tight line, and I'm just going to use my Rimmel Exaggerate Blackest Black. The reason why I tight lined first was because I know I can never tight line without getting some of it on top of my eye as well, so I wanted to make sure that I'd done that before I went any further. So what I'm going to do is, what I'm going to attempt to do anyway, is going to use these little jewels here, and I'm going to stick them along my lash line. And I'll just show you a couple. I haven't done this before, so this could be interesting. So I feel towards the end there I got a lot better at doing that. So this eye, it's a bit straighter than that one. Hopefully you can see that on camera, it's very sparkly. So here we are so far. And now I don't know what to do. I think I'll get a little bit of my brown that I stuck in the crease, and I'm just going to run it under the eyes a little bit. And I'm going to go in with my BYOS highlighter palette, and I'm going to go into Moonstone, which is this white colour. And I'm just going to use a little highlighter brush from Artis. I'm going to hit the tops of my cheeks. And a bit on the top of my eyebrows. And I think I'll do my inner corner as well. Now, it's really hard to do this without my eyelashes sticking together. So we will see what happens when I put my mascara on. I might have very weird clumpy lashes. So I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic. And I'm going to go in with some of the cream colour that I put all over my lid. So I was putting the jewels on, that stuff in my waterline all ended up down here, so I've got a dark line underneath. And as far as I can tell, there's nothing on my waterline anymore. So that didn't work out very well. So I'll do my waterline again. So I managed to do that without getting any on my jewels. And now I need to decide what kind of lipstick I want. I could go nude or I could go red. I think I'll go red since it's Christmas time. So I'll go and get my lipstick and come back. So I've got my L'Oreal lip liner in Perfect Red. So it looks like this, which needs sharpening. Got one little hair that keeps tickling my face. So I'm going to use my NYX pencil in Milk, and I'm going to do my waterline. And there's my finished look. So this one's definitely turned out better than this one. But I think towards the end there I was getting much better at doing it. So not a lot of eyeshadow on there because it's all in the sparkle. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye!